What's going on, everyone? Welcome once again to Mati's Zone. For today, we are going to do unboxing, and we are going to unbox this really nice figure. It's the Flash from DC Multiverse, Justice League 2021, and by Mcfarlane Toys. It's 7 inches tall, and it's made of PVC, and it has 22 moving parts, as you can see at the top of the box. Left side if you're facing the screen or the camera. And this figure is really detailed. I would say it's very detailed, and it has a collectible art card. As you can see at the back of the figure, it comes with a base stand, and of course the 4 Speed Force effect pieces, or the lightning effect. And yeah, so I bought this from a private seller, and I bought this one and Cyborg as well, the same line. We're going to review Cyborg in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned, guys. Okay, so you can buy this at Walmart, eBay, Kijiji, toy stores, right? So, and also of course Marketplace. All right, so we have to do a review of the box as well, okay, before we do the review on the figure. So okay guys, just follow me and let's unbox this figure. Alright, so let's check the box first. As you can see there, it says 22 moving parts, Mcfarlane Toys. Nice window where you can see the figure, accessories, and also the base at the bottom. There's the DC Multiverse, the Flash, and Justice League 2021. On the side of the box, this is what you can see. And at the back, you'll see here the whole figure, and the Flash, the Justice League, and it says there, each figure comes with a collectible trading card. Mcfarlane Toys, of course. And this is what you should collect in this line. So you have Aquaman, Batman, Cyborg, the Flash, and of course Black Suit Superman. Alright, and that's what you can see at this side. Okay, and at the bottom, there you go. Okay, so we're gonna use a knife. Be careful not to hurt yourself. Just gonna cut it here on the side, there and here. Alright, and there. Just be careful. I don't want to scratch the box, you know. Okay, so take it out. Okay, we're gonna slide it slowly. There, that's the figure. And wow, the base and the trading card. There you go. So just have to pop this out here. There's a plastic here at the side, and this will come out, and also with the trading card, okay, but we'll do that later on. Alright, so this is not a figure. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut this here, and I think the Speed Force effect has just been taped, so we have to move it. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Alright, so what I did, there was a plastic tie here, so I just used the scissor, and this bad boy is out. Alright, that's the default position or pose. And let's put this aside first. Okay, let me just straighten all the arms and legs and feet. There. We're gonna go first with the accessories. So I already removed the trading card and the base. So this is what the collector card looks like. You'll see the flash there. Okay, and at the bottom, that's the information or the biography about this flash, the flash. Okay, energetic student attending Central City College, where he studies criminal justice with the hope of one day freeing his incarcerated father, more than eager to team up with crime-fighting icon Batman. Okay, Barry's remarkably quick wit is surpassed only by his ability to move at hyperspeed. There you go, there's the DC Multiverse. Nice. And this is the base. You can see there the DC logo and the peg for his feet and plastic. So these accessories here, by the way, I changed the background to black just because these lightning effects are transparent, so I want you to see it better. So the small ones, you're gonna put this or attach this on his arms, right? So the big ones, attach it on his legs or feet. Okay, anywhere you like it. I'll show you later on. Okay, so this is now the figure itself. Let us first measure the height. It's 7 inches tall. Okay, and let's start with the sculpt. It's not bad, it's nice, and I can only say that both the eyes are not looking the same way. So this one's like looking straight, the left eye, and the right eye is like looking up. There's a closer look. Nose and chin and the mouth, it's good. I like it. It's just the eyes, right? And yeah, it's a nice sculpt. And now let's go with the paint job. So I have a couple of complaints on the paint job. If you can see these lines here, this should be silver, right? And you have this like a gold or lightning effect here on his waist there. Okay, see the paint job, it's not really done very well, but it's okay. It's just the linings, silver linings here, and at the back you can see there should be a silver lining as well, right? Okay, and you know what I noticed too, this one here, it's loose. You see, now it looks like a diaper. If it would have been a little bit tighter, it would have been okay, right? But as you can see here, it is loose. Okay. Alright, now of course the Flash logo there. Okay, I don't have any more the Flash figures, but if I have, we will do a review as well, so that I don't have anything to compare this figure. Okay, but let's go with the articulation. Ball joint there, connection, and it rotates all the way. And it can also do like this, which is good. Look up, down, the hands there. Nice. It's a ball joint connection. And there is a bicep swivel. Okay, it's really stiff because it's new. And double hinge on the elbow there, and the arms, it rotates and up and down, because I think it has a, yeah, like a ball joint here, so it has a better range of movement or motion, right? It has a articulation. I'll try to force it there. Yeah, it rotates all the way around, bends, and yeah, there. And yeah, it goes, you can move this way as well. And let me see if we have a, yeah, yes, the waist rotates as well. This is really bothering me, this thing here. And so far it can go. There's no upper thigh articulation there. There's a double hinge knee, which is good. It has a better movement or range. There, toe rotates, and sorry, the ankle rotates, and the toe, it has articulation too. I like that detail there, really nice. So okay, so here's the figure, the Flash. So I will put on the accessories, okay, and I'll show it to you. So there you go, guys. I already attached the lightning effects or the speed force effect. So the big ones goes here, and the small ones go here. So there's the stand. It's more stable now. Okay, so you can move this up and down if you want. You see there, it is easy to attach these accessories, and you can post it anywhere you want it. Okay, there you go. So, and of course, don't forget the trading card. Okay, this will look good on my toy shelves or toy shelf. All right, I hope you guys like our review for today. Like and share, and leave a comment, of course, for you guys who is a fan of Flash or Justice League, if you've been watching the movie as well. And yeah, hit that notification bell and subscribe if you have not yet. See you guys on my next video. Keep searching and keep collecting, guys. All right, that's all for today. See you on my next video. Take care.